All right, good day, everyone. So, talking about the setting up the mini bot. So, you need a WhatsApp account with the phone number you intend to use as your bot phone number. For most of us, we already have WhatsApp on our phones, and then if you don't have WhatsApp, then that's perfect. But if you already have WhatsApp with a personal phone number that you use for your day-to-day conversations, then what you need to do is you need to create a WhatsApp clone. So you can have two WhatsApp apps on your phone where you use one as your personal account and then the second one will be for the bot. So how do you clone WhatsApp on your phone? For most Android phones come with this feature pre-installed already. So all you need to do is go to settings. So go to settings and then you go to apps, or I think for this device I go to special function, and then on special function, this is an Infinix device, you can see X clone here. For different other devices it may be different, so I'll just activate WhatsApp on X clone, and then once I do this, it creates a new WhatsApp on my phone. So if I return to my home page, I'm sorry, my menu, you can see that I already have another WhatsApp account here. So this is the cloned WhatsApp. So I will go to this cloned WhatsApp, just open it. It opens as a brand new WhatsApp account. And then what I need to do is to create a new account. So when it asks you to allow notifications, allow. It is very important to allow notifications. And then now I'm going to register the new account. So I'll pause the video for a while. All right, so I have completed registration. Now at this point is very, very important. WhatsApp is asking us to give access to contacts and media. In this case, deny access. So the reason is you don't want the numbers that are messaging the bot to have names, because when you allow access to your contact, when people message the bot, it will use their name instead of the phone number. So you don't want that. So instead of allowing, just say not now. So it won't get any of your contact information. People on your contact list, when they message the bot, it only takes note of their numbers instead of their names. So that is very important for the bot to work. If you allow access to contact, then it will not work as expected. So please, at that stage, when you see access your contacts and all that, so you should say not now. Yes, so that's very important. Okay, so I don't need any backup. So now at this stage, you can put your bot name. Maybe I'll just call this bot Chris. That's the bot's name. So when a customer wants to chat with your bot for the first time, all they need to send is Chris, and the bot will know that this is a customer that wants to um, get access to services, and then the bot will begin to respond to that person. So you can set a profile picture as well, any profile picture you want. You can create a profile picture for your business and put it there as the bot's profile picture. Do not give access to contacts. So it wants access to your contacts, so do not grant this access. Just leave it this way, and that's all. So you can leave it this way. When people message you, their names will not show, and that's very important to enable the bot to work as expected. So for WhatsApp clone, which I just did here, if you have a separate device, probably that you don't have WhatsApp installed on, you can just go ahead and do this on the install WhatsApp on that separate device, and you don't need to clone. But if you are using the phone that you use for your normal day-to-day conversations, then you need to clone WhatsApp in order to be able to have a separate account for your bot. Now, and for almost on all Android phones support this, all modern Android phones support this feature. So if you don't know how to clone on your phone, you can just check YouTube. I'm also going to drop a link to someone's YouTube video that explains how to do this on different kinds of devices, so that you know how to clone WhatsApp on different devices. But if you have a separate phone that you don't use for your personal WhatsApp chat, then you can just install WhatsApp on that phone and use it directly there. Now, go to billy.ng and then you can log in. If you don't have an account, you create an account first, then you log in. So I'm just gonna log in now. All right, so my account was created a while ago, so just for a test, and then I have one user, and I already earned a profit of 67.5 naira. So that's how you earn profit, and you can withdraw these profits to your account. So the next step is to do the bot settings. So you can go to bot settings. If you've not done this setup already, you can do it. Just fill in your bot number, your business name, and then the bot name. This bot name is a keyword. It's very important. So whenever somebody wants to start a chat with your bot, this is the keyword they will send. If the person doesn't send this keyword, then the bot assumes that person just wants to chat with you personally and it will not respond. As soon as the person sends the word Chris on your bot, then the bot knows that this person is a customer who wants to patronize your business. And then from that moment onward, the bot continues to take care of that person's chats. All right, you can see that my bot status is active. If yours is not active, you can activate by changing the bot status here. And you can as well inactivate the bot at any time you want for any reason known to you. So when you do the bot settings, then the next step is the bot launchpad. So you go to launchpad, and then here you are asked to download autoresponder app, autoresponder, and then you add a new rule. So you need the premium version of autoresponder. So in case you download and you are unable to get the premium version, you can just chat with our agent and the premium version of the app will be sent to you. Then the second step is to put star here so that you can reply to all messages, or you can just click on the green all button up there and it will fill in automatically. Next, connect your web server. So you click on connect your web server, and after clicking on connect your web server, then you have to copy and paste the complete server URL. So your server URL is shown here. So for every customer, it is different. So you need to copy this server URL. Let me just copy it now. And then the next final step is to turn on. When you do that, you save, of course, by clicking the green check mark here. Then the next step is that you turn on autoresponder. So when you do this, you can now test your bot. All right, so let's do that now. Let's download autoresponder and see how to do this. All right, so now I have autoresponder running on my device, the premium version. So before you even set up your rule, I recommend that you test. So you can just come here and just say exact match, just put the word hi, be small letters all through, hi. So when you send hi, what should the bot reply with? Maybe the bot should say hello. So this is just to test if the autoresponder is really working on your phone, because sometimes it doesn't work as expected. So when you turn on autoresponder, you make sure you can see this icon at the top of your screen. Yes, if when it shows there, it means everything should work. But just to be sure, you can click here. That's to test this rule. So whenever the bot receives the word hi, it will send hello. So that's how you know if the bot is really working. So click there, send hi. Remember, small letters all through. Hi, and the bot did not respond. So now when it doesn't respond, you need to do a few things to make sure that it begins to work. So when you click on the three icons at the top, you see doesn't work. So they're asking doesn't work, what do you do? You can restart your device. You can click on settings to make sure that the autoresponder notification access, you can put it off, then put it on again. You can switch off and on your device as well. If that doesn't work, there are other things you can do. Now then, let's see if this one has worked. We'll send hi, and you can see it is working now. So anytime I send hi, I get a hello. So with this, I'm sure that autoresponder is working. So I can delete this rule by just swiping to the left. Then I can do what I was asked to do on the chatbot. So now at this point, all I need to do is to click on all. And then when I do that, it already fills this place with a star for me. And then when it does that, All right, so after filling the star at that point, I need to come down, click on connect your web server. Remember, I've copied the server URL, so I'll just paste my URL here. So I'll just paste my server URL here and then click on the green check mark at the bottom right, and then this rule is added, and that's it. So now I can chat with this number and see if the bot will respond. So let's go back to the setup. So it says test your bot. So you can click on test your bot, or you can see this is what you send to your customers if you want them to chat with your bot. So let me just copy it and send it to a customer. All right, so now we have sent the bot link to our prospective customer. So the link will appear like this with an option to just start chatting. Now the customer can just click here and then it will take him to the bot's WhatsApp account and he can just send the word Chris is already pre-filled. If you use that link that the website generated for you, you can send it to your customer. You can just tell them to start a chat with your WhatsApp bot number and send the word Chris. Or for this is Chris, but for your own bot, they will send the name of your bot. So you just send and then let's see if this would work. So you can see, good morning. What would you like to do? Register or log in? Fund wallet. enter the amount you want to fund. So the customer can just type maybe 500. Then it asks, you see the charges are very, very low. Pay 500 to the account below. Bank charge 2.5. So the bank charge is 2.5 naira. And then for automated funding, this is the account the customer can pay to. The customer can pay 500 to this particular account number. And as soon as this is a permanent virtual account number for your customer, so once the customer pays, it can return after 10 seconds and the wallet will be automatically funded. Then they can proceed to buy whatever they want to buy. So that is it. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section, or you can also chat with our customer care agent on WhatsApp, and all your concerns will be addressed.